Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Side Income Dad.
What's up, everybody? It's Channel here. How you guys doing?
What it do, everyone? This is Mix. Welcome back. Go Niners.
Whoa.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Too soon? Too soon?
And I'm still hurting. Still hurting.
All right.
God damn it.
All right, guys.
Could be worse.
Could be
Could be the
worse.
Cowboys.
Dang, more shots fired.
God damn it.
All right,
Anyway,
guys. So let's jump into this view that we wanted to talk about today. So we got the high yield ETFs view, which we typically kind of go through and show you kind of who's doing good. We wanted to kind of change that view, hopefully improve it. Let us know what you think. We're going to show you this new view. I'm going to quickly kind of go over it and hopefully this is value to you. So the first thing is that I kind of wanted to do a little back test, right? A little bit of back testing just to see how we did, just to see what we can choose in the future, always trying to get better, right? So the more we learn, the more data we have, the better things can get. So going to this view right away, I got the date set to January 1st, 2025. So that's kind of how far we're looking back. Whenever a ticker, let's say they didn't exist back then, it just takes the data from, whatever the latest date they have data from. The investment we've chosen is $20,000. I feel like that's a pretty decent number. It's not low, it's not high, it's achievable, I think. And so, you know, just to see what that would do. I mean, then we got all these tickers, and I'll just kind of give you a quick sneak peek at what we have in here. We can always add some more if you'd like to request some. We can please put them in the comments, and then I'll add these to this chart. And then everything is sorted by the percent return. So we got the price on that date. We got the price, the latest price that we could find, all the dividends that have been paid between those two dates. And that way we get the total return percent, and finally we get this profit loss. This is kind of where it starts, right? This is the new thing. We did not have like a profit loss column before. Now that we have it, we're able to see like what did those $20,000 kind of do at the end of the year. And to give you an example, I'm going to just go off with silver there at the beginning. So that would have meant that you made $16,000, so eight or 16,800 with silver. That's like almost doubling your money. Obviously, 84% return, pretty damn good.
In four
But
months.
but how does this actually compare, right? Like how much of this profit loss came in via price appreciation, which here we're going to call it bank, and how much of that came in through dividends, which we have here as distribution. And I'm just going to extend that so we get the full view. All right. So what we see is that most of that was price appreciation, right? And very little of that was actually dividends. And then finally, what you have is either weekly income or monthly income, and that's kind of the view. So there's two areas that I didn't really talk too much about is like the color coding on this relative volatility. This is just how volatile is that stock. And then over here under bank, the color comes in because we want to show like, did this investment, was it able to keep your original $20,000? Yes or no? So you're going to get a green if it's $20,000 or more. And if it was within 5%, you'll see this yellow shading come in. And then no shading for anything that dropped under that. To me, this was like a big deal because, like for example, this Robinhood from RoundHill, like we can see that the distribution was 12,600. I mean, that's a really good paycheck. When we look at the profit and loss, though, it's like 9,400, meaning that yeah, you got some good distributions throughout the year, but you were definitely eating away at your initial investment.
Mhm.
And I think this paints a really good picture, right, for people that are in different stages of life. Like this is not financial advice, but if someone is already retired and they're living off of their nest egg, this might be a great option. right? Because it's like, okay, I'm gonna get a nice monthly income, but maybe if you're still building that nest egg, this may not be the right one for you. Right? You might want to go with a different strategy. Um, and then if you're younger, right, if you're much younger, something like this is way better where the distributions are very low, but price appreciation is really high. So again, obviously the choice is yours. This is not financial advice. It's just giving you how I'm looking at these things. Guys, what's your reaction to this? I know this is a new view and we hadn't really gone into depth here, but what are your reactions to that?
Hey, Block is still kind of up there, so
And it's green on initial investment.
yep, I like it.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like it definitely. I mean, it really puts in perspective a lot, like what you're saying, someone is younger, someone is older. Um, you could really it paints a very clear future picture of where you want to be and how you want to play this, right? But in my opinion, it's yeah, I mean maybe a little bit of both. You know what I mean? Kind of balance that out a little bit more, volatility play, and then mix that in with a little bit less volatility, and then just maybe find that medium range. Some risk, some less risk kind of thing. But yeah, I think this is definitely helpful. I mean, it's helpful for us right now as well too. We can really see where we're at.
And I feel it's more transparent too, because like you don't just some people just go off of like how much dividends they're making,
right,
and they're like, oh yeah, I'm making bank, but in reality, you're not.
right.
So that's really good to be able to see.
Cool, cool. Like, you know what? I'm gonna highlight, like, for example, here, these both are NVIDIA tickers. But look at the difference, right? One is eating away at that nav pretty hard.
Yep.
The other one is not. It's actually preserving it. Um, and for what, right? Like, what is that? Like $140 difference a
Yeah.
month?
Plus, if you don't even need it,
Yeah. So I think this is important to see. And at least for me, it was very, very informational. Like I'm definitely going to make probably some changes, not immediately, but I
mm,
I can start to plan for what it is that I really want to do and where I want to land. Hopefully by the end of the
better
year, right?
education, I mean, educated choice on where to invest.
Yeah, yep, I agree with that. So let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think. Is this helpful to you? Like, what is whether like we should put in a different investment value? Do you want to do maybe a 6 month back test? Like, what is the best thing for you?
Mhm.
Um, I wanted to definitely start with a 1 year look back. Maybe moving forward we can change that, but at least to start, this felt like the right place to start.
Yep.
So would you want to say RoundHill is definitely
Eating
a little
away.
bit more risk compared to Rex or something? I mean,
Oh,
what
for
do you guys
sure.
think?
I think my takeaway is RoundHill, kind of like what I was saying. I think it's built more for someone who's already retired, who is still like squeezing out money, right? Like it's still an investment. I mean, again, we look at this one, it still made money. It's in the 47% return. Um, but maybe
Yeah.
they're living on a fixed income and so they need those higher dividends to kind of help them with whatever lifestyle they're choosing. And
Hmm.
so they don't mind eating away at their nest egg, right? Like they're retired, they're just kind of enjoying their money. Yeah, I think it may not be like the best play for
Yeah.
someone that's younger.
Interesting.
That's not us though.
And where's all the YieldMax products?
So crazy part is outside of this one, because it's doing amazing as you can
Yeah,
all see,
gold.
like it's actually doing so good. I didn't really add many of them. I may have like yeah, like I have
Mhm.
YMAX.
Oh, okay.
But I didn't really add many old T. Um, I guess I can always add some more of them.
Yeah, we'll do that later.
Yeah, we'll definitely do that later.
But you can see, look at that, Rex Tesla versus RoundHill Tesla, little low.
Yeah,
Yeah, right
like
there.
huge
Look
difference,
at
right?
look at that.
Sheesh.
Now, I also don't know if this came out, like when it came out. So I don't know if that was like an entire year of returns or not.
Mhm.
Since June 4th.
June 4th, so it's like a
Yeah,
6 month thing.
6 months.
Well, let's make that fair then, right?
And TSLW was since February.
Okay, so yeah, so if I go back
Almost a
to
year.
June,
Yeah,
we can kind of cover both, I would say. And we'll redo this. See, it's still up there.
yep,
Mhm.
It's still doing better, right?
yep.
We can now compare them a little bit more apples to apples.
Mhm. Yep.
And we see that it's like an 8%
Yeah.
more return. Um, and yeah, like obviously the TSLW gave more in distributions, but doesn't matter. The other one preserved your capital.
Yep, which is what their plan is, right?
Hmm.
Half preserve and half distribution.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, definitely.
Interesting.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Um,
Pretty good.
definitely an eye opener. They're like this one must have also came out at a different time frame because now they're also a little bit closer.
Mhm.
But just like before, the Rex products are still doing, at least from my perspective, they're doing better, right?
Yeah, about a 3 month difference.
Yeah. So pretty cool.
Yep, I like it.
And their strategy is more what?
Which one?
Reps.
Oh, they only sell covered calls on half of their positions. So like
Oh,
the other half is uncapped, right?
Yep.
Like if price goes
shit.
up, you capture all of it on half of it.
Mhm.
That's the difference.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, this is the other thing that I actually looked at that I don't have to anything to show here is when things went poorly, right? Like when stock went down and things didn't do so well. What I saw is Rex also protected better, and so I don't know, it's a good strategy to me. I like it. I think it's the strategy that I'd probably like to land in over the
Yeah, it's
next
pretty
couple
balanced.
months. Yep.
Pretty balanced.
Interesting. So I guess the next thing makes is when you're gonna get that Rex hat.
I don't
Yeah.
know, guys.
If they're looking, please send us an email to our corporate office. Get in contact with our with our advertising team. Put them on here.
Cool. All right. Well, any other feedback here? Any other reactions to this?
No, pretty straightforward.
Huh?
Cool, cool. All
I
right.
like it.
So I was thinking of replacing that high yield ETF view with this every week. Again,
Yep.
in terms of how far we look back, I think that's debatable. But yeah, I felt like this view might be a little better.
Yeah. I mean, I guess we could even start since we actually started, which was more around April when we actually went in.
Yeah, but I mean, our positions I feel like have changed a lot.
Yeah.
Like, or let us know in the comments, like what's valuable to you? Like,
Yeah.
what's the date range that would serve you the best? Let us know in the comments for sure.
When in doubt.
Zoom out.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's jump into some income proof, guys.
See those
What? Let's not jump into income. Get out of here.
Whoa.
Oh,
Uh,
that's no good.
Whoa.
That's no
Whoa.
good, boys.
This guy. Oh.
Oh, I'm hurting. I'm hurting.
Definitely need that GoFundMe page now.
Right? It's needed. What is killing me here?
Damn.
Oh, Robin Hood is killing me.
Yup.
Hey.
Dang.
Hmm.
Unbelievable.
Okay. Okay. I see.
Still positive. Nice. Second place.
It
Could be worse.
could be worse.
It'll
Yo,
be
this is
negative.
crazy. This is
Uh,
crazy. Oh, update on actual like closed at premiums here. Um, there, yeah.
You took the
whoa!
lead.
Take
I
that, Shannon.
know.
Nice.
Wait,
I
is that even updated, channel? I thought it, I,
Doubtful.
That's updated. I haven't did add anything new, so
oh,
I'm still
gotcha.
just sitting on my positions. I haven't closed anything.
Gotcha. Yeah. I
Yeah.
got to close on Friday, so I actually
Nice. Look at that.
got to have a little
Mm.
something, you know? I got to make up for this negativeness going on. Dude, I'm still negative, that means. 'Cause I'm like total return at negative 800 is BS.
Um, but yeah, that's good to see. You collecting a little premium there. So
Yeah.
well, yeah, just keep that rolling, keep rolling. Whatever it is, just every month, just build on it, and
Yeah, man. Actually, I closed those, made the money, and then I opened up a couple more positions. So
there you go.
we'll see how those work out.
There you go. Yeah,
As it should be, you should always have some open or like something in there.
yeah,
Yeah, something's
I
going.
like it. Yeah. If I close some, I'll definitely have some for next month and so on. So that way I'm on continuously
Cool, cool.
covered. So, but yeah, yeah, every time I look to open, I, either didn't and it just drops away from my price range, so I don't. So last week I just, yeah, seemed to be a step too slow for all the positions I wanted to get into. So that's fine. I still have like 4 positions that I'm just sitting on, but usually I want to add a couple more, but during the week, but nope. So it's currently just sitting up at 350 still. So
What I was doing actually is I'll get a little greedy when I put the options
Degen.
in. Yeah, for reals, man. So like
Degen.
if I see a trend, let's say I see a trend going down, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get some puts.
yeah.
But if I feel like that trend will continue, instead of choosing a price that's gonna be like high likelihood of getting filled,
Hmm.
I'll get greedy on that price because I'll be like, no, I still think this is gonna go down.
Hmm.
And that way I can kind of leave it alone and walk away
Hmm.
and it's still open throughout the day. And then if it goes to where I think it will go, the premiums eventually get to that price anyways, and then it just gets filled.
Hmm.
That's how I've been treating it over the last week or so.
Hmm.
Because and before that, I was trying to get them where I wanted them,
Yeah.
and I found myself missing that window a lot. And so by doing this, it's allowed me to really get like I guess what I wanted, whether it was in puts or calls. But yeah, so I don't know. I don't know if that's something that you tried or not tried or thought about or not. But
Yeah, for sure. It's just I like to have a balance of puts and calls, so that way
hmm
I'm kind of protected from the downside and upside, kind of
yep,
kind of playing for that time that time decay, right? So yeah, I have right now I have way more puts than calls, so that's why like I wasn't gonna make any more because the stocks I want to get into is just hasn't run, right? It's just kind of dip 5%, kind of up, dip 5%, kind of it's not enough to where I want to make
yeah,
another put, just because I'm already kind of in that range already. So
for
um
sure.
what it
Yep.
would have been is be good is yeah, if I just, sold a another call last week, that because the stock is just kind of in that range, right? And now I would have been benefiting from that, but yeah, it just didn't get to my price point where I wanted to get in. So
So we need a green day, is what you're saying.
yeah, I was
Good luck.
waiting for Green Day, yeah, definitely. And it never really came, right? It wasn't as juicy as I wanted. So yeah.
Wake me up when September comes, guys.
Speaking of which, what do you guys think, man? What do you think this week's got in store for us?
Oh, it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough.
Am I gonna regret having some puts out there?
Yeah, depends if you want them or not.
No, I'm saying the
Yeah.
ones I already hold.
Oh,
Jesus, man, this administration, it doesn't surprise me, man. It's just like you can't get comfortable. The second you feel like, okay, it looks like we're
Yeah.
getting over this, it's looking good, and next thing you know, you just they'll
Something
come out with
else.
something, I want to take over China or something. I don't know.
Greenland, all right,
Yeah,
Greenland.
Greenland, yeah, that's been in the making. I don't know. Take over some other take over like
Well,
Guam or
that's very strategic though.
something. Yeah.
The
But
ten
he,
percent.
I don't think we really want to take it over. I think he just wants Europe to, commit more
Yeah.
to protecting it, so China, Russia doesn't get a piece, I guess. But
And so the
I
US
don't
doesn't
think,
have to invest that much.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
just he. I don't think he really wants to take over. He just wants some guarantee. Like once you guys put in some more money, you know what I mean? Like we're tired of him being the only one like protecting her. I think he just wants other allies to commit more to that Greenland. So, but I
Yep.
don't know. We'll
Take
see.
their weight.
Says one thing, does another. So he's always a couple of steps ahead. So
Oh, it's keeping us guessing, man.
always, always keeping that bloodbath.
Yep, yep.
But what's up with that crypto though? You guys,
Yeah, what about it?
what the hell going on?
Dude. I don't know, man.
I do believe that it's just
Time to buy? What?
it's gonna be least expected. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. Whatever it is just when everyone just, oh goddamn, I'm out. Forget this crap, and next thing you
Still,
know, all-time highs. The market makers, they know
they know
better.
for sure.
So.
Can they let
Like
us know, you know?
like last week, everybody was like, "Oh, Bitcoin, this is it. This is it, guys."
Here it
No.
comes. Here it
When
comes.
moon, guys. And look at it now. It dropped
99.99.
from almost 98K to 92.5K.
Jesus, man.
Oof.
All I think it was like 600 million liquidation, something like that.
Wow.
Yeah, like
It's
I
all that
said,
silver squeeze,
silver still at all-time high, right?
maybe.
Silver and gold.
So I mean,
What?
like, speaking of that, how do you guys feel about this ticker, man? Or even gold, honestly, for that matter. Like, even though
Oh,
it's from YieldMax, like, what?
I
They've
want to
been
get
doing
some,
good.
but it's just like, oh, dude, do I really want to jump in at all-time high? It's
Yeah,
just,
yeah,
That's
same.
exactly how I feel.
let's do this thing. Go to whatever price. Wake me up when you guys come crashing down, kind of thing. And rather than trying to chase it. So
Do you feel the same way for silver and gold, or just for silver?
both,
Both?
Yeah,
yeah,
rare metal.
they're both just,
Yeah,
yeah.
they even say like maybe even copper coming up too.
Dang. Where's the copper ETFs?
I don't even know.
We
Do
gotta
they
get
even
eyes on
exist?
those.
Silver's at 93 right now.
Wow.
I do think maybe when silver and gold dumps, then that rotation will go into crypto.
Yeah, probably. I mean, I feel like a lot of people that have been holding gold are ready to exit their positions, but
See, the smart money is selling now, wow, all-time high, The dumb money
yeah.
is trying to buy in. Oh, it's gonna go higher. It's gonna go higher.
Yeah, and that's what they
That's
keep
us.
doing. Like
It's
they
gonna
keep
go
pumping it.
higher.
Yeah.
Like I've seen a lot of videos that say like, oh, they're gonna silver easily gonna go over 150.
Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of that too,
I
but
don't
Yeah.
know.
it's
So
tough.
silver
And
is
like
losing
it's kind
so
of hard to
much.
like, are you? Because like it has been going up. When you least expect it, you're like, nah, it's not even gonna go anymore. And there it goes.
Hang
Boom.
on.
So you never know. FOMO.
But oil prices coming down, gas prices coming down.
We don't want that.
I
No,
was pretty shocked being in Cali and seeing gas prices under $4.
I know.
I was actually shocked. I was like, "Whoa, no way!"
I
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
like, did Newsom
Right?
did he leave?
Like, is that dude in jail now? Like, what?
What happened?
Why did the price go down?
Is
Uh,
feeling okay?
No, he's working on that bullet train. Don't worry.
Imaginary bullet train.
Oh man. But yeah, we shall see. We shall see. And just looking at the chart on silver is just parabolic, man. Just
Yep.
Dang.
yeah, not gonna touch it. Just if it need, it's gonna another 100x let it be, but I'd rather just wait it out.
High risk.
Yeah.
High risk, high reward though.
Go big or go home.
It
Yeah,
sure.
no.
I think Trump is expected to talk on Wednesday of next week.
Oh, do you know the
Maybe we'll see
topic?
something on Wednesday.
Oh, and I was gonna ask what topic, but we know him. Like we're gonna get surprised no matter what. So we'll
Harris,
see.
Greenland,
Something.
Maybe he's starting a daycare.
Living Center. Come on.
At the White House? The daycare at the White House? But yeah, it will be interesting. But in the meantime, we just kind of sit back and collect these premiums and get
And
good
dividends
dividends.
hmm Get
on
those
repeat.
dividends on repeat.
Heck yeah. You guys think Bitcoin's gonna hold or keep going down? Because they're saying like it needs to hold 92K or else it's gonna go to like 90 or below.
I mean, I think it's gonna depend on some of these news that coming up. Like if we get some bad news here, it may not hold, and then it's a free fall.
Mhm.
Once it breaks that support, it could really go down. If the news is okay, then support holds and we'll be all right.
Yeah, who knows?
So what are
How?
you what are you guys doing then right now? Like, are you guys just kind of stacking up some cash on the side, ready for a move?
Yep.
Is that kind of like the plan that we're all doing on
Like
right
I
now?
haven't touched any of my distributions for a minute now.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
Mhm. Yeah, haven't bought any new, haven't other than just collecting some premiums on options, but I haven't, yeah,
yeah.
nothing.
Pretty much
you
same
know,
here.
you know what's funny but not funny? Like, I haven't been using my distributions, but the account still stays the same.
Oh no.
I mean, it's kind of the same.
You don't have those Granite shares, do you? Let me see. You don't have some of these, do
Oh,
you?
no, no. I have the other one on the right.
Oh snap.
That one's all right, though.
Is it? I don't even know if I have it on here.
I'm only 10% down on it, right?
Okay, okay, okay. Um, yeah, as you can see, I didn't really include any of those in here because I was like, we're not like
We don't want to see more red here. Come
we're
on.
not gonna waste the people's time.
Unless they want to see it and they put it on the comments, then
Yeah, yeah, then we
they
will.
can, they can be like yield boost,
Whatever they want. I mean,
yeah,
that's what we'll do.
split max, split yielders, yellow splitters.
Going to Grok. Hey, Grok, can you give me 10 different nicknames for
He's like your boy Powell, I guess. He's gonna speak
Mm.
about
Crazy.
how he's getting targeted.
It's
Dude, what
prepping
is
that
that
seat.
about, by the way? Like, what was he getting targeted for?
Just Trump just coming after him because he hates his guts.
Uh, so like just like
Yeah, he's just
invalid
saying,
shit.
oh, I think he's going after him saying he's fraud, something about maybe he's spending too over budgeting his little project, or I
He
guess.
has a daycare too? What?
It's all, I think it's just all just say, I hate your guts. He
Mm.
should have, cut rates.
Dang.
Now I'm gonna send my dogs after you, just pressuring him.
Yeah, trying to make him leave early.
Yeah, like he's already leaving, but he just, I don't know, he's
Is
still
it in the summer,
bugging.
June?
What's that?
I think it's in the summer, right? This summer?
It's another one of Trump's tantrum.
Fake news.
All right, thanks everybody for joining us. We'll catch you next week, same time.
See you guys again.
Hopefully. Later, guys. Thanks for showing up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it. Good.